Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I am gonna unbox the newly Canon EOS 7 Rebel T7i DSLR camera that I purchased from Best Buy Canada. This is the first time I have purchased this camera, so I am very excited when I am gonna unbox it and I am gonna show you everything that comes along with this. So let me open this, guys. I'm very excited, and you know guys, these guys were too good. Like in this COVID situation when delivery and other stuff are getting delayed, they sent my package through expedited parcel and I got it right away. Okay, so here it comes. Okay, so they have provided this support in packaging, air cushions, so many of them. Now here comes the main box. Oh, as you can see, it's Canon EOS 7 EOS S Rebel T7i camera and its accessories. Now I'm gonna do the real unboxing. This was just after package, no use for me. Okay, so it seems this package is directly from Canon company, and then they put on their own packaging on top of it. So now I'll have a better camera going forward for making videos on this channel. Hopefully some of you, those who have complaints with my video quality, will now find it better. Okay, seems now is the real unboxing. Alright. Here comes the camera bag, and it is written as holster bag. Okay, and here comes the camera and its STM kit. Let me open it, guys. I am really excited at this moment. Wow. Okay, so they have provided an app. And this paper says that there is an app that I can install on my phone and find out how to use this camera. No worries. What is this? This is the warranty card. Okay. I have a thick user manual, but it's in multiple languages. That's why it's very thick. And I have this registration paper. I will register, no doubt. Now here comes the core part. Wow. This is the ribbon. This is the battery charger. Battery for me. And here is the lens of the camera, and I'm gonna open it. It's quite heavy, but I'm gonna see what exactly it looks like. Wow. You can take a look. I have this Canon label here and some panels. Using that I can adjust. And this is the cover for the lens, that if you don't want to use it, close it like this. You have the lock option as well. You have stabilizer on and off. AF, MF options you have. Now this is the lens I have, EFS 18 to 135 mm. Those who are familiar with photography, I mean, they know how these lenses work. And there are so many lenses available, and it all depends upon the depth of your pocket. If you have money, you can even purchase higher quality lens, and that enhances your photography. So we are going to fit it later in the camera. Okay, now here comes the main thing. My first DSLR camera of Canon. Okay. Oh, my hand is shivering a bit, not much. Wow. So here it is, guys. It has got a panel where you can see when you click a picture, you can even record videos. All these things come over here. Alright, here you have external connectivity. You have the port to connect with a charger and other devices. Yeah, if you wanna insert earphones, I mean while recording video, you have those options over here, as you can see. These small panels you are seeing, this is to attach the ribbon. That's all the use of these panels. Okay, now to make adjustments, you have like you can rotate this, and this you can select the mode that you want, and you can turn it on and off. And if you want to go for videos, you can take this control over here. This is to click. Now this is the area where you are really gonna attach your lens when you want to use the camera. So when you dismantle it, you just need to lock it, that's all. Alright, I will now unbox some other items that I opened initially. Okay, so this was the battery charger, and this is authentic from Canon, as you can see. And this is the battery. I'm gonna open it. Okay, they had given me a plastic cover as well, that's not required. So if I have to charge it, I can just fit it like this. I'll show you. Like this is the battery. This is the battery panel, I mean battery charger. You want to charge it, just attach it. Attach the battery like this. Now you want to use it. See, this is very important. Like this is as per the US Canada port. In North America we use this kind of port. So this is based on North American standard. So once this is there, I can put it in any socket and charge the battery. That's simple. And this is the ribbon. Does it look good? May not be. At least not without the camera. Okay. And I have this camera bag. I have the hook here. Okay. In fact, I have a big, oh wow. I have bigger ribbons over here. No problem. So here I'm gonna hold my camera, and with this I can attach these ribbons, these hooks, and that's how it will go from here. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll upload one more video where I'll show you the functionalities and various things. So this is unboxing, and now I'm gonna club up everything, and then I'm gonna come up with the next video. So again, I show you this product. This is what I have purchased and unboxed. It's Canon EOS rebuild T7i, as you can see, and this is my first DSLR camera. That's why I'm happy.